in the year too when we're like, so over it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't want to avoid being outside during this time period. I want to go out and do things, and that's when we tend to let our guard down, I think. So it's so important to just stay hydrated. It's so important to take those breaks and just to make sure that you're keeping an eye on the people around you too, and the pets as well, because today, Morgan, another hot day. Yeah, we're not looking at any big relief in sight. That is why we do have an extreme heat warning for high temperatures of 105 or higher. I've been talking about this for the past couple of hours now. If you joined us on GMA, 103 or higher possible in the heat advisory area. Now, with this means a high of 105 today, which would tie a record high temperature, 106 on Sunday, which comes 1 degree shy of the record. Morning lows in the low 80s. That's on the warm side. That means we're not seeing much really break from the heat in the overnight hours. A lot of locations today make it into the triple digits, with 105 likely in McKinney and in Dallas, as well as in Denton, 106 in Fort Worth. The extreme heat warning again in place through this evening. I do see a little cloud cover out there as we look from our trend tower camera in Rockwall. Temperature of 82, but already feeling like 85. That means a heat index is already in place. Here's what's currently happening. You see this cloud cover moving in from Oklahoma. This cloud cover is what's going to continue to stream in the remainder of the day. And look at this cluster of rain. Some of our northwestern counties and some of our eastern counties could get in on some of this rain today. The coverage will be pretty low. In fact, a lot of models have this breaking up as soon as it makes it south of the Red River. This is around Saturday around 7 p.m. You see a little something there just north of Gainesville. I'm thinking we could see a little activity along our eastern counties as well. And it's not just for this afternoon. We could see this overnight as well. You see this moving along our eastern counties and again along our northwestern counties. This time of the year, because of the heat, any thunderstorm that moves into the area or develops into the area could contain some pretty gusty winds. So we'll be watching for that this afternoon and for tonight. Otherwise, we're looking at some of this cloud cover kind of continuing into the overnight hours. Cloud cover at night, by the way, not great because it keeps some of the heat kind of bottled in at the surface. And man, we need the rain. The latest drought report does show that moderate drought has now expanded to include all of DFW areas as far south as Mejia, areas of Henderson County, Mineola, Canton as well. And because of the ongoing rainless conditions and the extreme heat, it tends to really dry out our soils, and that means that the fire danger actually increases. So for a lot of North Texas, anywhere from high to extreme fire danger, that means you need to make sure to take it easy out there, avoiding the activities that could spark fires, because fires can start easily and spread quickly under these conditions. North Texas right now, most counties are under some type of burn ban. Those, by the way, are issued by county officials, and they vary county by county. No relief in sight for us. Look at this. Those high temperatures in the triple digits through next week. This is through Friday. This is about 9 to 15 degrees warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. So no, this is not your typical August record. We are looking at warmer than normal conditions. Today, tomorrow, and Monday, we could see record highs. Not so much for next week, but either way, dangerous heat continues. And it's all thanks to this heat dome. That heat dome currently centered over West Texas, that is providing for several states to continue on with the heat alerts. And just outside of this influence of the heat, you see that disturbance kind of coming in. That's where we see that rain potential. And it takes a big dive to the south. That's where we see a marginal level 1 for risk for severe weather, but the highest risk will be across areas of the Midwest. That's where we could see some pretty gusty winds with thunderstorms that do develop later today into the overnight. So again, we'll be watching that disturbance. That's our only hope to keep us out of the triple digits, just like yesterday when we saw temperatures only reach about 99 degrees. Other than that, I mean, we're looking at the triple digits through the end of the month into early September.
All right, Mariel.